Greinke goes, and it's hammered down the left field line, curving in the corner. It's going to bounce up into the stands for a ground rule double. So Punto will score. Greinke has to stop at third on a one-hopper into the seats. And the Dodgers now lead 2-0 as Crawford doubles into the corner, losing the RBI. Had the ball just stayed live, he would have had 2 ribbies. A great effort down there by Bogusevic, but he couldn't make the play, and the Dodgers now lead 2-0. Ryan hoping to catch it, couldn't do it. So Crawford a double, run batted in. Chris Bosio, the pitching coach, out to the mound to talk to Arrieta.